The Firearm Licensing Authority has seized the weapon of a man seen in a viral video on social media pointing his gun at a woman in New Kingston. It comes amidst mounting concerns over whether licensed firearm holders are being responsible enough. Kelisha Williams has that report.
The video went viral over the weekend. It showed a woman who appears to be homeless and mentally ill approaching this man as he tried to pull away from her. It is not clear what the woman was saying to him, but as the man continued to move away from the woman, she advanced towards him. The man also tried to speak to the woman, but it appears she did not listen. Minutes later, the man pulled a firearm from his waist. The woman relented and the man walked away. Minutes after the video was posted on Twitter, there were thousands of views. Social media users were outraged. Many blasted the man for pulling his firearm when the woman was not a threat to him, with some pointing out that she did not have a weapon. On Tuesday, the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA responded.
We received the report and an investigation was launched. And within the context of the investigation, his firearm license has been seized.
Director of Corporate Planning and Client Relations at the FLA, Beverly Robinson, said the findings of the investigation will be sent to the board of the FLA to decide on the way forward.
I don't know if I want to say it has been suspended because suspension is in the remit of the board. So what we're doing, we have just asked him to take in the firearm, which he has done, and we are conducting an investigation.
The man's identity has not been disclosed. In the meantime, an appeal for licensed firearm holders to be responsible in using their firearms.
A part of the process at the FLA is, training on use of force. There's a competency, there's safe use and handling, and there is also the use of force. Yes, so prospective license holders are trained in those areas prior to getting their license for a firearm.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.